Someone's got the hiccups. Hello. What was that, Lily? What did you say? Look at these cute feet. They're so adorbs.